If A is equal to x sin theta and B is equal to y cos theta, then show that A square by x square plus B square by y square is equal to 1. Given A is equal to x sin theta, A by x is equal to sin theta, squaring on both sides, that is A square by x square is equal to sine square theta, equation 1. B is equal to y cos theta. B by y is equal to cos theta, squaring on both sides, that is b square by y square is equal to cos square theta, equation 2. 1 plus 2, that is a square by x square plus b square by y square is equal to sine square theta plus cos square theta. We know that sine square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. Therefore, a square by x square plus b square by y square is equal to 1. If 4 sine theta is equal to 3, find the value of x if root of cosecant square theta minus cot square theta divided by secant square theta minus 1 plus 2 cot theta is equal to root 7 by x plus cos theta. Given 4 sine theta is equal to 3, sine theta is equal to 3 by 4. We know that sine square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. 3 by 4 whole square plus cos square theta is equal to 1. 9 by 16 plus cos square theta is equal to 1. Cos square theta is equal to 1 minus 9 by 16. Cos square theta is equal to 1 into 16. 16 minus 9 divided by 16. Cos square theta is equal to 16 minus 9, 7 divided by 16. Cos theta is equal to root 7 by 16. Cos theta is equal to root 7 by 4. Tan theta is equal to sin theta by cos theta is equal to sin theta is equal to 3 by 4 divided by cos theta is equal to root 7 by 4 is equal to 3 by 4 into 4 by root 7 is equal to 4 cancel, that is 3 by root 7. Reciprocal of tan theta is equal to cot theta, that is cot theta is equal to root 7 by 3. Root of cosecant square theta minus cot square theta divided by secant square theta minus 1 plus 2 cot theta is equal to root 7 by x plus cos theta. Root of here cosecant square theta minus cot square theta is equal to 1 divided by secant square theta minus 1 is equal to tan square theta plus 2 cot theta is equal to root 7 by x plus cos theta. Root of 1 by tan square theta is equal to cot square theta plus 2 into cot theta is equal to root 7 by x plus cos theta. Root cot square theta is equal to cot theta, that is root 7 by 3 plus 2 into cot theta is equal to root 7 by 3 is equal to root 7 by x plus cos theta is equal to root 7 by 4. Take common root 7 both sides, that is root 7 into 1 by 3 plus 2 by 3 is equal to root 7 into 1 by x plus 1 by 4. Root 7 cancel. 1 by 3 plus 2 by 3 is equal to 3 by 3, that is equal to 1. 1 is equal to 1 by x plus 1 by 4. 1 by x is equal to 1 minus 1 by 4 is equal to 3 by 4. X is equal to 4 by 3.